the 15th term and 20th term of a linear sequence, that is AP, are 24 and 40 respectively. Find the first term and common difference of AP. B. Find 101th term of AP. Solution. Now from the question we are given T15 to be equals to what? T15 equals to 25. What is T15? That is A plus 15 minus 1D. And that is equals to 25. So we can simplify this as A plus 14D equals to what? 25. This represents equation 1. Now, for the second one, we are given T20. T20 is equal to what? 40. And T20 is same thing as A plus what? A plus 9. That is 20 minus 1D. That is equals to 40. Which is the same thing as A plus 19D. A plus 19D equals to 40. And this represents equation 2. Now we have equation 1 and 2. Let me bring down the equation 1. I have A plus 14D equals to 25. So we are going to solve the equations, the two equations simultaneously. Subtract equation 1 from 2. Equation 1 from equation 2. That is, we are using the elimination method of solving simultaneous linear equation. So we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we have A minus A. Then what do we have? 19D minus 14D equals to the right hand side 40 minus 25. And this will give us A minus A is what? That's 0. So we don't need to write that. 19D minus 14D, we have 5D. So 5D equals to 40 minus 25. That will give us 15. For us to find the value of D, what are we going to do? We divide both sides by 5. Dividing both sides by 5, what are we going to have? 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So 5 here 1, 5 here 3. It means that D equals to what? The value of D equals to 3, which represents the common difference. Now we need to find the first term of the AP. For us to get the first term of the AP, we can use any of these two equations. So using equation 1, Using equation 1, what is equation 1? A plus 14D equals to 25. It means that anywhere we see D now, we substitute D as what? 3 equals to 25. Now we have A plus, what is 14 times 3? 3 times 4 is 12. So we carry 1. And here 3 times 1, 3. So 14 times 3 is 42. So this equals to 25. Now A will be equals to what? 25 minus, taking 42 to the right, minus 42. A equals to what? 25 minus 42 will give us minus 17. So the first term of the AP is minus 17. That's the first term of the AP. Now we can conclude for the first part of the question, that is the A part, that first term first term, which is A, equals to what? Minus 17, and common difference, which is D equals to what? 3. Now, we are going to solve for the other problem, the last part of the problem, which is B. And we have to find the 101th term of the AP. Now, that is T101. T101 will give us what? Based on the techniques. That will be A plus what? 101 minus 1D. So in this case, we can simplify this as what? A plus 101 minus 1. That is 100. A plus 100D. And we know the value of A. What is the value of A from the first part of the problem? The solution to the first part of the problem, that is minus 17. Then plus 100 times, what's the value of D? D is 3. So we have the value of D to be 3. So in this case, we are going to subtract. Now, we have this to be minus 17 plus 100 times 3, that is 300. That's 300. So minus 17 plus 300 is the same thing as 300 minus 17. And 300 minus 17 will give us what? 300 minus 17 will give us 283. So it means that the 101 term of the AP is 283. Thank you.